Hello everyone, in this session we will see how to do assembly in Catia. Introduction of assembly design. Assembly design allows the design of assemblies with an intuitive and flexible user interface. As a scalable workbench, assembly design can be cooperatively used with other current companion products such as part design and generative drafting. The widest application portfolio in the industry is also accessible through interoperability with Catia version 4 to enable support of the full product development process from initial concept to product in operation. Digital mock-up navigator inspection capabilities can also be used to review and check your assemblies. Interactive variable speed techniques such as walk-through and fly as well as other viewing tools let you visually navigate through large assemblies. There are two approaches of assembly. First is top-down assembly approach. Top-down assembly design is an approach where the assembly structure and design are created starting from the higher level assembly, and then the individual parts are designed within the context of this assembly. This approach is particularly useful when the overall product design dictates the specifics of individual parts. Second is bottom-up assembly approach. In Catia, the bottom-up assembly design approach involves creating individual parts separately and then assembling them. This method is useful when parts are designed independently and then need to be brought together to form a complete product. Okay. Product structure tools. Product structure workbench allows the representation of a component structure, product part assembly, with an intuitive and flexible user interface. The components used are clearly identified, making the management of the assembly much easier. You can copy or paste components or constraints, add or insert a new component to the assembly structure, load missing models, replace components, modify components properties, associate or remove geometrical representations from the parts. Assembly constraints toolbar. This is our assembly constraint toolbar. Here are different constraints like coincident constraint, contact constraint, offset constraint, angle constraint, fix together, quick constraint, flexible subassembly, change constraint and reuse pattern. Okay, thank you.